Welcome back to my channel. It's me Maha Shehzad and you're watching HealthWenke. Today we are going to talk about enlarged pores, especially on the nose area or cheeks. You can shrink them at home naturally. So I'm sharing few of the easy to-go home remedies to shrink large pores and to make them completely disappear. So let's move to the video. Egg white mask. To make this mask, take an egg and separate the egg white and beat it really well. Then take half of a lemon, squeeze and add the drops into egg white. Beat the mixture again. Now apply the layer of egg white mask on face with the help of your fingers. Make sure to clean up the face before you apply the mask. Let it stay on the face for 15 minutes. When it gets completely dry, wash it off with cold water. Apply the mask 2 times a week to get instant results. Clay mask. The next vital tip is to apply clay mask. Sandalwood and fuller's earth multani mitti are very good for oily skin as these gently absorb excess oil. Take a container, add 1 tablespoon of fuller's earth with 2 tablespoons of rose water. Add also 1 teaspoon of pure honey and mix it. It will look like a thicky, muddy pack. Put it all over your face with the help of an applicator or your fingertips. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse it off with regular water. Gram flour pack. To make this pack, add 1 tablespoon pure aloe vera gel, 2 tablespoons of raw milk, 1 tablespoon lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of gram flour into it. Mix all the ingredients and make a thick, consistent face pack. Apply it all over your face and wait for 20 minutes. Once it gets completely dry, rinse it off with regular water. After this, wear a moisturizer that suits best to your skin. These remedies not only reduce the pore size, but also cleans up the skin and make it tight. So give them a try and let me know of your experience in the comment section below. If you like this video, hit the like button. Also share this video with your friends and family. And do not forget to subscribe my channel, HealthWenke.